Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies in one of the government college. So there is a direct walk-in interview and no application fee. Eligibility is a UG or a PG with UG Senate or the GATE qualification. And coming to the interview dates are 24th and 25th June 2020. So these are all the highlights of this assistant professor vacancies. And before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my videos as immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering. Don't worry, here some physics, chemistry, maths and science vacancies are also there. So this college is in Telangana, Secunderabad, and it is temporary contract basis for training year 2020 to 21. Applications are invited for the following posts on temporary contract basis for the training year at Faculty of Degree Engineering and Cadets Training Wing, Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, Secunderabad. So coming to the post, associate professor and assistant professor and instructor in language, assistant director of music or assistant instructor in language. These are the vacancies, main posts. And coming to the educational qualifications for associate professor, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and PhD is also necessary. These are all the essential qualifications, and the desirable qualification is PDF, that is postdoctoral fellowship, and experience must be 5 years. Minimum 5 years must be there. Consolidated fee is 40,000 rupees per month. Coming to the assistant professor, electronics, electrical, computer, mechanical, production engineering, applied science, maths, physics, and chemistry. So BTech and MTech with the first class or equivalent, either in BE or ME, qualified in GATE or NET, minimum 2 years of experience must be there, and the amount is 31,500 rupees per month. Coming to the instructor in language, MA English or equivalent from recognized university, and desirable is MPhil. Minimum 2 years of teaching experience in English, and the amount is 30,000 rupees per month. And coming to the assistant director of music, BA Arts and Music or equivalent from a recognized university. As a desirable qualification is a post graduation, but with the BA itself you can apply. Minimum 2 years of experience, and the salary is 20,000 rupees per month. And here age limit is also there, not exceeding the 56 years as on 30th May 2020, and the college timings only from morning 8 to 2 o'clock from Monday to Saturday. Okay, it is the best timings. In the evening timings, you may do some other job also. It's not a thing. But because it is a contract basis, it is not compulsory that you have to stick on only to the college. At the evening timings, you can do your some other part-time job also. But because the location is in Secunderabad, so in the Secunderabad, it's not just like a metropolitan city. You may get so many part-time jobs there. And coming to the walk-in interview dates, it is 24 and 25 June 2020. That is Wednesday and Thursday. And venue, Faculty of Degree Engineering, Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, Tirumalagiri, Secunderabad. So reporting timings are given 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Those reporting after 9 o'clock will not be allowed to appear in the interview. So candidates has to report along with the original testimonials, nothing but original certificates, experience certificates, biodata with the local address, contact number and the latest passport size photograph, and one self-attested copy will be submitted along with the biodata. Candidates will also fill up the choice of subjects in the form provided, and all candidates reporting will strictly follow the government orders on wearing of masks and maintaining social distance, and entry will be strictly regulated and monitored. So 9:30 to 10 o'clock, checking of original certificates and forms. 10 o'clock to 2:30, interview by selection committee. No transportation accommodation will be available, and if you are having any queries regarding the interview schedule, you may contact to these numbers. Okay, don't forget to contact these numbers before going to the interview. Why? Because due to this, I mean, in this pandemic situation, the interview schedules may vary, may not be vary, but anyhow, it is better to contact once before starting from your homes or from your villages. The board of officers have the right to accept or reject applications without assigning any reasons. So all the candidates should mandatory call the numbers mentioned above to check with the schedule of the interview. So it is a detailed notification regarding the Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering in the subjects electronics, electrical, mechanical, production engineering, applied sciences, maths, physics, and chemistry. So the candidates who are having the post graduation in these disciplines with either GATE or NET, you may apply to this one. Almost the contract might be one academic year, that means 1 year may be there, because they mentioned for the academic year or for the training year 2020 to 21. So it is one kind of good opportunity. It's just like serving to our nation, but anyhow it is a contract basis only, so it depends upon your option. So it is update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel, and if any one of your friends are looking for such type of opportunities, then please share this video to them. It will be helpful to them maybe. For more updates and for more notifications, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you.